Hello everyone, and welcome to the EasyEDA tutorial. When you are drawing a schematic, you might notice that some components are not perfectly aligned with the grid points. This not only makes the layout look a bit messy, but can also cause more misalignments during wiring later on. So how can we quickly align all components to the grid? It's actually very simple. Just select all the components by dragging a selecting box, or press Ctrl A to select everything. Then go to the top menu and choose Layout, Align Grid. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-G. After executing this command, EasyEDA will automatically adjust the position of all components so that their pins align precisely with grid points. This makes your electrical connection more reliable and keeps the overall schematic much neater. So make it a habit to align to grid regularly. It will save you a lot of trouble when connecting wires later on.